Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia T20, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I will be using just the home screen, as you can see right here. And once you have your content open and visible, all you need to do is press power key and volume down at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. As you can see, it captures the screenshot. It gives you two options. You can share or edit it, and after a moment this should disappear. There we go. And your screenshot can be found in your Photos application. Select Don't Backup, and in here, as you can see, it tells us that there is no photo. Screenshot here isn't considered a photo, so you should be able to find it in your library under Albums, Screenshot. There we go. So that's where it is. So anyway, that is how you would capture your screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.